car reading 76 degrees because it was in the garage, but it's actually 64 degrees where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna try to get this pull in, this draggy times in while it's a little colder because it's been hot, so it's just not starting to cool down a little bit. My DAs right now is at 5,033 feet, 1,929 sea level. So I'm finna drive to Mexico, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm pulling up to a nice little spot here, and we're gonna do some quarter mile, 0 to 60 or whatnot. Go.
30, 60. Quarter mile, 130.
Go.
30, 60. Quarter mile, 130.
Damn.
Half mile.
Quarter mile in 11.93. I have my damn traction control on, y'all. So it bogged out. So let's slow it down. Let's slow it down. Stop this real quick. All right, I got the traction control off. Let's do another one real quick.
30, 60. Quarter mile, 1.
All right, let's go.
30, 60. Quarter mile, 130.
All right, now I'm gonna use launch control. All right, this is the third pull with launch control. Let's see how I do this time. Oh my God.
30, 60. Quarter mile,
Oh my God.
30, 60. Quarter mile,
Too much slipping, y'all. All right, y'all ready? Here it is. Sideways.
60.
Sideways.
Quarter mile, 130. Half
Half
mile,
mile. Damn. Here it is. Sideways.
60.
Sideways.
Quarter mile, 130. Half mile,
Half mile. Damn. All right, let's go home. So 11.96 quarter mile, 4.0, 4.07 on a 0 to 60. So I'm better off until I get some tires, just launching it straight up. I mean, just stopping and just getting somewhere. But I'll still slip when I do that, so I need some new tires. I need some new tires. But not bad. Car's pulling hard. Feel real good. Yeah, I ain't gonna. It feel real good. I took the cats out. Dual pulleys. Turn this off. What is it, 57 and a half, 188 on the crank. Intake, throttle body, 80 millimeter throttle body, IE tune. What I got, E40, 91 and 91 octane and E85, making it E40. What else I did to it? High pressure fuel pump. I got the transmission spacer. Well, not the transmission spacer, I don't know what the heck it is, but a little thing fit between your transmission to keep it from jerking back. I got some launc springs coming. I ordered it yesterday, so it should be here sometime next week. What else I did to it? Front mount intercooler. Oh, I took my blower out and ported it myself. Opened it up a little bit. I gained 3 PSI. But I need to get it retuned. I even got meth injection, but I'm not using it because it run rich. All I do is hit this switch. Yeah, it's activated, but I don't run it because my car run rich when I use that, and my times be a little lower for some reason, but it's running rich. So once I get it retuned, I should be getting it tuned in the next week or two. But the guy's out of town at the moment. I need a custom tune. Custom tune. What else I done did to it? I'm gonna put some stickers on it. They helped out. Let's go back to this Dragy. I done put some stickers on it. Looking good. All right, let's do one more press and go. 0 to 60. Slipping.
30.
Slipping.
60.
Slipping.
Quarter mile.
0 to 60. Slipping.
30.
Slipping.
60.
Slipping.
Quarter mile.
Half mile,
I said y'all like,
30.
subscribe. I'm gonna review these numbers right here. I'll do it with y'all. Okay, let's scroll down. When I first started doing it, what's this, in June? I got a 12.12. Trap speed, 113 miles per hour. 11.97. Trap speed at 117. 11.98 quarter mile, 116, 117, 112. Yeah, trap speed was low. Then I ported it, and that's when my trap speed went up. 120 miles per hour. From 116, 117, 118 was my fastest time. Well, that's invalid, so I can't count that. It was my fastest time until I got ported. Then I got up to 120. I would say 121, but that says invalid. So car is doing pretty good. Let's go to this one, 11.96. See, I'm slipping. I'm slipping, y'all. So tell me how I can get better. What tires y'all suggest? Let's see, 11.91 at 117. Yeah, but the car is perfect. I love this car. Let's go to some 0 to 60s. See what the fastest time I had on here. 3.97, 3.87, 3.82, Yeah, so 3.82. And this had a little slope, a plus 2.60% slope. Let's go over here, see what my fastest time here. I know I got a great time, some reason. 3.53, that was uploaded. I thought I had a 3.3 somewhere. Okay, here it is. This is a great time right here, valid. I don't know where I went for this. I need to go back to that spot by my 0 to 60 with 3.36. Which is great. 0 to 60, 1 foot rollout, 3.1. Stupid dope. All this is valid, y'all. The car is great. The car is great. This is just an even slope, 0.00% slope. I don't know where in the heck I was at when I did this. I need to go back to it. But as you see, this one went up at 3.82, this 3.36. 127 feet to get to 3.3, 60, and 188 feet to get to 3.82 to 60 miles per hour. But yeah, that was dope. That was a good day right there. I need those days all the time. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Y'all thinking about getting this Audi S5 B8.5? I want to get the V8. I don't think you can do too much to the V8 to make it as fast as this. Yes, you can pull up. I don't know nothing about the dang on Audi S8. I mean B8. But yeah, I love this car. It's dope. Get y'all one. Like and subscribe. Audi out. Dirty. Show y'all what it looks like real quick. Dirty dope. Dirty dope. Ooh, y'all know about that. I done left that one alone. That mother's dirty dope. I think I'm gonna do it myself. I'll pay my brother. Last name Slack, so it'll still be a Slack edition. You see I tore this up? Something came from down there. Oh, my belt broke and it ripped all that crap. But that's because this pulley was, I messed that pulley up and still put it on there. I wasn't going fast when it broke though. Intake, custom intake that I did, I had to cut this because Integrated Engineer is out on stock of this. This is my meth injection. That's how I ran it. It was easy to do. So you gotta take your time. Watch the video. I uploaded it. So if you're watching this and never watched that, watch it. But yeah, this car is stupid dope, yo. Get y'all one. Great success.